How are you? Have you all tried my recipes? And today I would like to share something, also cookies, which we call it Pakistan coconut cookies. First time try these cookies when I was there, when I was in Pakistan, and I like the cookies very much. You see the ingredients? Flour, icing sugar, ghee, desiccated coconut, vanilla, baking powder. Okay, first we fry the desiccated coconut until golden brown. Okay, one is get golden brown in color, you can remove and put aside. Okay, now I need to melt the ghee. And we can put aside. I'm going to pour it into a bowl and let it cool. Okay, now we can mix the icing sugar and also the vanilla. Okay, I've already mixed my baking powder with the flour, and here I'm going to mix it bit by bit in between with my desiccated coconut. Is the desiccated coconut. We'll pour some. And also the flour. Mix well. Here again my coconut. And the flour. I'm going to use my hand to knead further until you get a soft ball. You can also add in about 2 tablespoons of milk if you want it to be a bit softer. So I'm going to do that. Add in 2 tablespoons of milk if you think your dough is a bit dry. Now the dough is a bit soft. Now it's easy to roll. Okay, we knead it until it forms into a smooth dough like this, and we rest it for a while. Get a marble size of the dough, and you can press it like this. And you just rolled it onto the desiccated coconut, which is already roasted earlier, and place it on a baking tray. and you can continue it further. Okay. Shape into balls and press it, and then once ready, you can bake this for 15 or 20 minutes at 170 Celsius. Coconut cookies is ready. The aroma from the coconut and the ghee is really tempting. I mean, it really makes me feel hungry. So you can transfer it to a plate. Here it is. My coconut cookies is really yummy and looks delicious. And for those who wish to try, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.